All right, here we are, video 2. We're going to go over the directions for the assignment and also a reading of document A for you to be able to get those first 3 questions as well. All right, so please pay attention, please look up, and let us know if you have any questions as well. All right, so here is your assignment. You've got your central historical question on top. We have our directions. Make sure that you answer using evidence and your knowledge of social studies. Real quick thing, any answer copied from the internet will void your credit recovery. So please keep that in mind as we do this. I don't want you just going on copying things off the internet. We'll be looking to make sure you get down the documents. All right, so here you can see document A talks about religion. Remember, we're thinking about what can we learn about Babylonia society from Hammurabi's code. So here, what can it tell us about religion? Okay, what did people believe in? Who were their gods? Okay, next you're going to answer those questions. Notice that there is always a vocabulary given to you to help you with the words that are bolded. Document B is going to be up to the economy. Following selections discuss the economy. As you read, pay attention to what was important to Babylonians as they tried to make a living. Okay, and that's going to be outlined in these laws. How did people make a living at this time in Babylon? All right, and then finally, document C, Hammurabi's Code in Society. What are the rules in society? As you read, pay attention to how society was structured. Who's on top? Who's on bottom? Are there differences between the social classes? And then right there, was everyone treated equally? Okay? Excuse me. Let's take a look at document A. All right? As I read document A, all right, we want to take a look here, and I want you to kind of see what's going on in my mind as I read it. Okay? It says the following selection is from the introduction of Hammurabi's Code. Pay attention to the religion of Babylon. What did people believe in? Who were their gods? All right. It says, starting here, when Anu the Sublime and Bel the Lord of heaven and earth, who decreed the fate of the land, assigned to Marduk the overruling son of Ea, god of righteousness. So I'm seeing a lot of names. This reminds me that as a historian, who are these people? It says Lord of heaven and earth. It looks like to me like they have a lot of different gods, and they have names for their gods as well. Okay, let's see what these gods did. It says, God of righteousness, power over earthly man, and made him great. So they made man great. They called Babylon by his celebrated name, made it great on earth, and founded an everlasting kingdom in it. Okay? Then Anu and Bel called by name me, Hammurabi. So the gods called Hammurabi who he is, the exalted prince who feared God, to bring about the rule of righteousness in the land, to destroy the wicked and the evildoers, so that the strong should not harm the weak, so that I should rule over the black-headed people like Shamash and enlighten the land to further the well-being of mankind. Okay? Take a look there. Sublime means greatest, decreed means to order, and exalt means highly thought of. Okay? So when we think about this, I've got a lot going on, right? Where did he get his power from? It talks about the gods calling Hammurabi by name, right? So he's getting his power from the gods. What are their names? Number 2, according to this document, why was Babylonia a monotheistic society, which means belief in one God, or a polytheistic society, belief in many gods? Okay, write down monotheistic or polytheistic, and then tell me, how do you know? What in the document says that there is one God or many gods? Okay? And number 3 says, according to this document, what is the goal of the Hammurabi Code? Okay, this is the inscription before here. What is the goal of the Hammurabi Code? And that's in here. Right? If you take a look here, and I look at this evidence here, I'm highlighting what is his goal? What does he seek to do? Okay, please answer 1 through 3. Please put any messages you have in a private message to the teacher.